everyone. I hope you guys are doing great. My name is Ramandeep. I'm from Durham College, which is public funded college in Oshawa, Ontario region. We offer more than 120 programs for the international students along with scholarship. Canam is one of our premium partners. I would request you, if you need any further assistance regarding Durham, please get in touch with the Canam counselors. Now, I would also like to inform you that Durham College, if you guys directly want to talk to us, we will be available from 10th September onwards. I would request you to book your slot with the help of Canam counselor. Desk number 53 is for Durham College. Please get in touch with us directly for any further information regarding the program and the colleges. Thank you.